I was sent 10 eyeshadow sticks to play with, so let's have a little fun, do some cool eye makeup, and test really are waterproof. This is what the kit comes with. This would make a great gift, or if you want it yourself, great thing to have as well. I'm gonna swatch them. Each side has two sides. You're gonna have an applicator, sponge side, which you can use if you want to blend. I also find you can really blend just using your finger. And then this is gonna be the other side that has that cream to matte eyeshadow. Okay, so this first color is Clay Matte, light pink kind of mauve color. Next up, we have Clove Shimmer. Clove Shimmer, nice and sparkly, kind of like a good rose gold. This is gonna be Ginger Matte. That's the Ginger Matte color. Stone Matte. That one's definitely quite dark and really pretty, almost like a smoky brown gray. And as I've drawn on just my arm, you can see how easily it glides. So these glide really, really easily on. Taupe Shimmer. So it's gonna be taupe with a little bit of that metallic shimmer in there. This one's gonna be Galaxy Gray Metallic. Looks very similar to the stone one, maybe just a little more on the gray side. And then we have Onyx Matte. That's gonna be black. You could use that if you wanted to even do like a thick eyeliner. Cocoa, really pretty deep brown, chocolatey color right there. And then I have two more, Pearl Shimmer and Silver Moonlight Metallic. There's the Silver Moonlight Metallic. So those are all the colors that come in this set. Really great variety of colors and so perfect for blending. So let's go ahead and do up the eye area. I'm gonna start with some Pearl Shimmer and do that under the brow bone and in the corners. This is that black color, and I'm gonna see if I can kind of go over my eyeliner and just kind of do the corners a little extra here. Now there's so many pretty colors to choose from. I think I'll start with this gray metallic. Just did the eyelids and taupe shimmer. I'm gonna go ahead and go over a little more. Here's the stone one. Let's go ahead and use that in the crease area. This is the Ginger Matte, more of like a brown color. See, it's pretty rich color right there. I'm gonna go ahead in the inside and like a little there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take that blending side and let's blend a little bit here. Now we have a Clay Matte or a Clove Shimmer. Both of these are really, really pretty. I think I'm gonna go ahead and use both. So I'm gonna go ahead and do like one and one, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do one more and blend. If you wanna add a little more of like sparkle, you could always go on top near the end. This is the Silver Moonlight, adding a little bit of that here in the center. And then I'm gonna take the cocoa and I'm gonna put that towards the edge. Okay, I think I have a nice, really pretty smoky eye. This is dramatic, but not over the top. I feel like it's still appropriate for daytime makeup, but let's go and test if this is waterproof. Like this would be jumping in a pool, basically. Wow. Very, very much past the water saturation test. Look at that, whoa. And I do have a tissue here just to see how easy it will be to wipe off at the end of the night. You're gonna probably need some makeup remover because you can see it is long lasting. It's not just gonna smudge right off, and that's after being saturated in water. And now I'm using quite a lot of pressure with just a regular tissue. But you can also see how easy they do blend when you wanna smudge them. If you do wanna get that blendability, do it right when you apply it, because once it dries, it's much more difficult to budge. This set is amazing. Whether you pick just a couple colors you want to start with or you want to get all 10, you are going to love it.